If your Android device can't detect the SIM which you have put inside your device, and if you see the message not registered on network, then let us see some of the ways by which we can try to fix this issue. The first thing what we will do is we will restart our device. Sometimes restarting the device fixes many of the issue. So if I'm using Galaxy Note 8, I will press this side button and then I can select restart here, or else I can completely power off my Android device and then start it again. So after restarting, check if your device can detect the SIM card. Now the next thing what we will do is we will swipe from the top of the screen and we will enable the flight mode and then disable it again. So what does this do is this will make the device look for the network and check if this will fix the issue. The other thing what you need to do is you need to remove the SIM card from the tray which is inserted inside your Android device and check if you have properly inserted the SIM card, or check if the SIM card is damaged. Sometimes we might not have installed the SIM card properly in our device, due to which our device won't be able to detect the SIM card. So check the SIM card, insert it again and check if this will fix the issue. The other thing what we can do is we can go ahead and open settings. We will go to connections here. We will get to mobile networks. We will go to network operators. We will select manually. Now what does this do is my device will look for all the network operators present in my area and then I can select it manually. So my device has found 3 network operators. I will select the one which I'm using and then you can see this option, this message here, registered on network. If all of this does not fix this issue, then maybe the SIM card which you are using is blocked by the network provider. In that case, you need to call your network provider and check if the SIM card is working or it is blocked. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.